Here are 3 crazy curiosities about hurricane categories you probably didn't know. Category 1, hurricanes might sound mild, but their winds can still hit up to 95 miles per hour. That's strong enough to rip off roof shingles and take down small trees, so yeah, still not a breeze. Category 5 hurricanes are the most dangerous. With winds over 157 miles per hour, they can flatten entire buildings and cause catastrophic damage. Think of it as a tornado, but much bigger and wetter. Surprisingly, hurricane categories only measure wind speed, not rain or flooding potential. So even a Category 1 can bring life-threatening floods. Don't let a lower category fool you. Always stay prepared. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments and hit like for more cool curiosities.